Hey class, let's dive into a fun and super useful topic in chemistry. Today we're learning about acids and bases, two types of substances that are super important in science and even in your daily life. So, what are acids and bases? Let's start with acids. Acids are substances that taste sour, and they can be found in foods like lemons, oranges, and vinegar. That sour taste? That's the acid at work. One of the most common acids you might have heard of is citric acid, found in citrus fruits. Now, bases are kind of the opposite. They usually taste bitter and feel slippery. A common base is baking soda, and another one is soap. If you've ever touched soap and noticed how it feels kind of slick or slippery, that's because it's a base. Scientists use something called the pH scale to measure how acidic or basic a substance is. The scale goes from 0 to 14. If a substance is between 0 and 6, it's an acid. If it's exactly 7, it's neutral, not an acid and not a base. Pure water is neutral. If it's between 8 and 14, it's a base. Here's something interesting. When you mix an acid and a base together in the right amount, they can cancel each other out. This is called neutralization. For example, if you have an upset stomach from too much stomach acid, you might take an antacid tablet, which is a base to calm it down. We even have special tools to test if something is an acid or base. One of them is litmus paper. It turns red in acid. It turns blue in base. So why is this important? Acids and bases are everywhere. In the food you eat, the cleaners you use, the liquids in your body, even in nature and the environment. Pretty amazing, right? Chemistry isn't just in the lab, it's all around you. Now let's remember what we learned today. Acids are things that taste sour. Some examples are: lemon juice has citric acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Soda has carbonic acid. Even your stomach acid, hydrochloric acid, helps you digest food. Bases, on the other hand, feel slippery and taste bitter. Examples include baking soda, a weak base, soap, toothpaste, some cleaning products like bleach or ammonia. We use the pH scale to measure them. Acids are 0 to 6, bases are 8 to 14, and 7 is neutral like water. Awesome job today, scientists! Keep your curiosity bubbling, just like vinegar and baking soda. And see you next time on BrainFizz.